Everyone, recently Python has removed the GIL lock in 3.14. Let us test with this code. This code involves some multi-processing, calculates the primes in the old version and the current version so that we will know which is running the faster. Let's try with the Python old version. So we will be running this with Python 3.10 version, which is my old version, which has global interpreter lock enabled. Let us run the code. Yes, so if you see here, it is taking a lot of time. It's 5.34 seconds. And let us run the same code with the new Python 3.14, which has global interpreter lock disabled. And let us run the code and see it ran in 1.37 seconds. Imagine just for this code, it saves a lot of time. Would like to see how it makes difference for the machine learning and AI algorithms. And I would like to know in the comments how you would be using this and what is the performance thing it is doing.